Hey guys, welcome to my new video for you. My name's Patti Allred and I'm here to help you make money online. Guys, I've been at home for 30 years. I've been a stay-at-home mom for 30 years. I've done it all. I don't want you to have to go through what I've been through because it's not easy. So what I want to do is share some tips and tricks with you and share the things with you that really do work. So if you are interested in making money online, working from home, then hit the subscribe button below, the little bell, so you won't miss out on any of my future videos and the information that I'm going to be sharing. I'm going to keep them short and sweet and to the point. But also like the video if it's something that you do like. And if you know somebody that could benefit from it, please share it with them. I was going to minimize this. There you go. I like to teach people how to make money from home using their laptop, their computer, tablet, or your smartphone. It can be done from your smartphone nowadays. So today my video is about getting your pictures from your phone to your computer. And I've been doing it this way for several years. So it's worked for me. And I know that if I can do it, anybody can do it. So I'm going to show you the way that I do it. And we'll see if that's, the way that you want to do it too. But I know it works. Okay, first of all, you're going to need someone to take your pictures. Yes, you need to have your pictures up. You need to have it on your Facebook account, on your different products, website, whatever. I hate having my picture taken and putting it out there. So, again, if I can do it, you can do it. Just do it. And anyway, my daughter took several pictures of me the other day. I have an iPhone. So I'm going to go to my camera, and I'm going to click on the photo, and then I'm going to click on all photos. So I've got the pictures pulled up here, and I'm just going to choose a couple of, I'm going to choose one, and then it's going to pop up, and in the bottom left, there's a box that has like an arrow coming out of the top. So I'm going to click on that, and that's going to give me the option to choose a few other pictures to go along with the one that I chose. I'm going to actually send these to my Facebook. So I pull up my Facebook icon. I got to go back and do it again because it just cut off on me because I flipped it around. Alright, go to my photos, choose a photo, click the little box with the arrow in it, choose a couple more photos, and I'm going to click on Facebook, and I have to click on it twice, and then it's going to start pulling them up so I can shoot them over to Facebook. But what I want to do before I do that is I'm going to change the setting of who's going to see these pictures. And I change it to only me because I don't want them out there where everybody can see them. I just want them for me so I can get them. So I click done, and it's going to show me where I can share them. But it's going to also show me that it is going to my news feed and it is only me. So I share them and it sends them over. This way, I have them on my Facebook. I can put them in a file there. I can put them in files on my computer. I can grab them and use them wherever I need to use them, on my blog or website. So I am just refreshing my Facebook to show you that they're going to pop up down here and that they're going to be locked where only I will be able to see them. Here are the pictures, and here's the little lock, and it says only me. I'm going to leave it at only me. I'm just going to go in and grab the pictures and use them elsewhere. But when I'm going to post again, I'm going to make sure that I change this setting to public, or whatever setting you use is what you need to change it to. Not here, or it will make these public, but on the next time you post, make sure that you change it so it won't be locked. And it's just only you, and you'll wonder why nobody's commenting on your post because they won't see it. Anyway, I wanted to show you that right quick to let you know that if I can do it, you can do it. I'm going to show you in my next video a free tool that I use to grab these pictures. To grab these pictures and edit them and use them in the other places. my last video, in case you missed it, I'll put the link for it in the description, but I went over some of the tools and just the things that you do need to get started having a make money from home business. So if you missed that, just go to the description below and check that out. And you can see that I keep my videos short. Also in the description, I'm going to have a couple of my top recommendations for you. So check that out. And I just want to thank you for coming, for watching, for liking my video, sharing my video, and subscribing. I do want you to know that if I can do this, you can do this. I promise you. Check out the description, click like, click subscribe. But most of all, guys, make it a great day. It's Patti Allred here, and I will see you in my next video.